Hey folks, today I made $2,211 day trading the S&P 500. If you want to learn how I did it and how you can do it too, watch the rest of this video.
Okay, put the gloves on, nigga, we going in, I'll drop that rod. Nigga, do tweet out all the haters, cause he might have to send that boy. No similar fuck out niggas out wet, unless you want his ass gon' be God. Bring that fat bitch to the fat line, that bitch knows us soon as she side. Niggas send that train through the east, but no, that bitch gon' land the mob. Niggas keep that self-defense on, nigga, you poppin' out at the bar. And for Ferrari, spot out on I-10, that bitch try to cross like a wall. Ain't none of my niggas, how we stand on our 10 like we top. Try to kiss shit with a big
Oh!
But she shot like John. Niggas send bitch like a
Okay. Damn, okay. Okay, let's get into it. That's right, didn't take a trade yesterday, so I was fiending today. They call me 2-3, like I'm Mike. Hit you with that jump shot, I can make your gun cock. I'ma turn you into my cum sock. Okay, everybody pay attention. Okay, lock in. But for real though, I'm actually going to turn you into my cum sock. I'm just kidding, that was horrible. Sorry if you guys are trying to learn how to day trade. Trust me, I'm good at this. Look. Trust me, guys, I know what I'm doing. Trust me, Timmy, I know you're gonna be like, I don't want to learn from him. He's a little bit scary. I don't know why. He's got so many subscribers on YouTube and people say, go watch his boot camp. Well, Timmy, the introduction to the boot camp is phase 1 of the cult. You get inducted through the boot camp, then you sign up to the free course, and then you come over to DJR's house, and we play games and we learn how to trade. Mastermind 5.0 is on the way. Okay, let's lock in. Subtle plug. Let's day trade. Okay. Okay, focus, because I actually have to teach a mastermind class in 20 minutes. So let's try and lock in. Let's lock in. Okay, fine. Okay, on the S&P 500, coming into market open. Yup, Timmy, we're actually teaching you how to do it this time. Or are we? No, I'm playing. Okay. S&P 500. Okay, sorry. Jeez, bro. If you can't tell, I'm out of my meds. Okay, but for real though, Timmy, focus, I'm going to change your life. I could change your life. Okay, holy shit. We have 4-hour highs right here. Daily bias time. We have 4-hour highs right here, 4-hour highs right here. We have 4-hour lows all the way down here, but market opened like, all the way up here. So I didn't really think that we were going to go seek out those hourly lows. Moving deeper into the day, we had hourly highs right here, which obviously I got rid of during market open because we moved past them. We had hourly lows right here, which was the first take profit, and then we had this hourly imbalance right here, and then we have more hourly lows down here. I really could have held this trade longer, but because of how bullshit price action was today, I wasn't fucking with it. I just wanted one take profit and get the fuck out. So, anyways, that goes over ES in terms of our daily buys. We had drawn liquidity right here, drawn liquidity right here on the 4-hour. 4-hour highs right here, hourly lows right here, hourly imbalance, hourly lows right here. For NASDAQ smoking on that gas pack, NASDAQ in my ass crack, we had hourly highs right here, we had 4-hour highs right here, And then we also had these 4-hour highs all the way over here, which we clearly wanted to use as liquidity. Scaling into the 1 hour, we had these 4-hour and 1-hour highs. And then we had these hourly highs, and then obviously these 4-hour highs. And then as for 1-hour lows, we had hourly lows right here, hourly lows right here, and then this imbalance was actually created once market opened. So I'm just going to remove that for now. We also had this hourly imbalance. I marked it just because upon market opening, there wasn't any like super close draws on liquidity, and this was also there. Like, we need to understand imbalances and draws on liquidity. It's where the market wants to go. All right. So from there, NASDAQ was a shit show. We can go over NASDAQ first. So market opened, boom, full throttle honey pack, dick, straight to the upside, taking out these 4-hour highs. We get a huge 4-hour candle down, and then we just rip right back up. We take out these highs, and then we take out these highs. There was really not much for me on this. You know, we could have found an entry within here, but it was 10:45 by that time, and ES was just looking a lot cleaner. So, I mean, we could go over how you could have taken a trade. So we came through, we swept out these highs. Obviously, we want to see a sweep. We want to see a move down. Then we want to see a 5-minute retrace. We got that, but there was no 1-minute price action within here. Right, this was the retrace. No 1-minute price action in here to look to execute. Off this, though, we can see, I don't even know if there was an entry off this, but we'll see. Okay, so boom, we take out draw on liquidity. We get our 5-minute leg down. That's check 1. Okay, we get a 5-minute extension up. That's check 2. Let's see if we get any 1-minute action in here. Okay, so we end up breaking structure right here. We get 1 candle up. Let's see if that hits equilibrium. So many fucking candles in here. I gotta remove this for a second. Okay, we do end up hitting equilibrium and then getting a rejection down. You could have entered off of that, but again, NASDAQ was pretty freaking ugly. Stops above these highs because that's where your trade idea would be invalidated. And then target would have to be the start or the 50% mark of this hourly imbalance, or at least first take profit. So maybe first take profit is at the very start, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Second take profit is the 50% mark right here. Third take profit, I mean, this chart is just so bullish, so I don't even know if I would have any extended take profits. Maybe your last and final take profit could be the very bottom of this imbalance right here. But me personally, it's not a good trade to take, which is why I took the S&P trade. So let's go over and cover that now. So again, on the 5-minute, we open, we get a big leg up, we take out these hourly highs. We take out these 4-hour highs, and then we take out these 4-hour highs. What are we waiting for now? 5-minute retrace. We get a full 5-minute retrace, and we sweep back above these highs that were made right when market opened. And to me, that was still valid. To me, that it's still valid unless we close above. So like on NASDAQ, right, we can see that we got invalidated on this 5-minute retrace once we closed above here on this candle. But on ES, if we just toss wicks above here, I'm still okay with it because we're not continuing that 5-minute structure. So like even if we toss wicks above the previous highs, I can still consider it a 5-minute retrace. So because of that, right, again, we can even talk about this within here, right? So boom, we sweep it, we get our leg down, and then this is when we start to get those the 5-minute retrace. And again, there's a reason why I say wait for that 5-minute retrace, because we can see with NASDAQ and with the S&P 500, if we hadn't waited for the 5-minute retrace on NASDAQ, we would have been burned on this. We would have taken a trade off of this just break of structure, and then boom, PP in your butthole, okay? You get stopped out. ES, same situation, okay? Boom. We have this right here. Okay, we don't actually break structure, but we break structure on this, okay? Boom, if you enter off this, stops up above here, you're getting touched, okay? But instead, we wait for a 5-minute candlestick to the upside. So we know that the 5 minutes retracing, because more often than not, if we're sweeping out high time frame liquidity or filling a high time frame imbalance, we're not just going to get just instant, like all black 5-minute candles to the downside. We're going to get 1 or 2 5-minute candles to the downside, and then we're going to retrace. And that's when I want to scale in to the 1-minute time frame. And that's what's been helping me have such a high win rate as of recently, if you guys haven't been able to tell. So again, we're kind of scanning within here once that first 5-minute candle gets made, and we're tracking these lows, and we don't really see anything until boom, we get a break of structure right here. And then this was just a super easy equilibrium, order block, and breaker block play. So we can see there's a bunch of these here. So boom, this is our breaker. We see that it gets pushed in and then disrespected on this candle. And then also we have the leg up that caused the sweep prior to the break of structure. Okay, so boom. Oops, sorry. This is actually the breaker right here. My bad. But still applicable. Both got hit. And then also my confluence that I was actually looking at was equilibrium for this. So again, this bullish candle pushes up, hits equilibrium. And then we get a rejection candle to the downside right here. Entered off that, stops above the stops above the liquidity sweep, or the price of the previous draw on liquidity. We see some drawdown. I was actually pretty scared. I thought price was potentially just going to keep moving higher because of how bullish NASDAQ was. And then we finally see price shit the bed, and my one and only take profit was based off of those hourly lows. I could have had extended take profits, like take profit 2 at the bottom of this imbalance and take profit 3 at these hourly lows all the way down here. But again, I'm going to be open and transparent with you guys. I was not trying to sit and wait all the way until, like, you know, whenever this is 12:48 to be managing my take profits from my computer. I was able to get out at around 10:50. That in itself was late enough for me, okay? So we ended up hitting take profit on this. Honestly, in my eyes, solid trading day, even though yesterday's price action was pretty trash. The day before, what is it, Wednesday? Yesterday? Oh yeah, Monday's price action was horrible. And then tomorrow we have Federal Chairman Powell speaking. We had new home sales that came out today. Didn't really care too much about that. Even though it was like relatively high impact, medium impact, I did not care too much about that. But tomorrow we've got a lot of shit going on, okay? We have Powell speaking at 9:10, okay? I'm definitely going to be avoiding that. We have a bunch of FOMC members speaking, and unemployment claims as well. So we'll see what Powell does to the market at 9:10. But more than likely, I probably won't be trading unless volatility and volume can calm down coming into market open. And like, if Powell can step off stage before my trade entry has like shown itself, then cool, I'll be looking for a trade. But if not, I'll probably be avoiding tomorrow. This past 2 weeks have been kind of ugly in terms of my strategy and for trying to find trades, but at least I've been a little bit more risk adverse. Again, I didn't make much today. I de-risked because of how choppy price action was, and because of how late I took this trade. I took this trade at 10:13. Most of the time I'm out of a trade by then, so I wanted to de-risk by like a significant amount and just get a winning trade underneath my belt. And if I did lose, then I would be okay with just losing a small little amount. And overall had a pretty solid risk to reward ratio on this. Full 1 to 2 point, pretty much 3 RR on the day. No partial profits taken, so all the TikTok traders can shut the fuck up. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for the day. If you guys want to see me mark out all of these confluences live, then you guys should definitely go and watch the Kick streams. There's a link in the description so you guys can follow me, be notified when I go live on Kick every single morning. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be watching the Powell speech during our Kick stream. So that being said, if you guys want a little inside scoop on Federal Chairman Powell, you guys should tap in. All right? That being said, I love and appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.